Hello everyone, today, I'm going to introduce you to a brand new tool in 2025 that helps you automatically post on Facebook. This tool allows you to manage multiple Facebook accounts easily. If you want to post something, just select the feature, set up the configuration, and choose the content you want to post. Then, you can choose one of three options: post to joint groups, post by group ID, post to groups based on keywords. You can also set it up to automatically comment on your posts after they've been successfully published. Once everything is set up, just select the account and start. The software will post automatically for you and also generate a posting history so you can check back on what has been posted. If you're interested in trying out the software, feel free to contact me. Hope you enjoy the video, and see you in the next one.